1.12, pretty similar to example 1.11, where you evaluate a function and solve for a function, these same type questions, except now we're not doing it from a table, we're doing it from a graph. Fine, we can do that. Here's the graph down here. I copied the question so I don't have to keep scrolling back and forth. Part A asks you to evaluate f of 2. What you need to know, and I might be beating this to death, but it's the most important thing from this section, is that the input is a 2 right here. And you want to find the output. So that's what's being asked in part A right here. So the input is 2. The input is the x-coordinate. The x-coordinate is 2 right here. Right, here's where the x-coordinate equals 2. So the point on the graph that has an x-coordinate of 2 is that point right there. And so what this is asking me is, what is the output when the input right here is 2? Well, the output is the height. So the height when the input is equal to 2 would be equal to 1. So my answer here is 1 for this one. Sometimes you see like a dotted line here and a dotted line over here to really emphasize. Some people like to draw vertical lines. I don't. I'm going to leave my graph kind of clean and say that the answer to this question is just 1. The second question, solve f of x equals 4. This one looks similar to this, I suppose, but it's very different. In this case, you are given the output is equal to 4, and you're asked to find the input. Number one thing that people get wrong on these questions is confusing the two of these guys right here. So make sure you got those straight. This tells you the output, it asks you for the input. Well, the output is the height, the y-coordinate. Well, the y-coordinate is 4 right here. So what spots on the graph have a height equal to 4? Well, it looks like I got one over here, but wait, there's another one over here. So I got 2 different spots. That's totally fine. Maybe I'll even say find inputs, because there can be more than one. If there's more than one, that means your function is not 1-to-1, but that's okay. So what inputs, what x-coordinates are corresponding with these 2 points? Well, this one right here corresponds with an x-coordinate of -1, and this one over here has an x-coordinate of +3. So what I'm saying is that when x equals -1, the output will be 4, and when x, the input, equals +3, the output will be 4. So the answer to this question is, well, there's 2 different answers. It would be -1 and +3. Maybe I'll say and here. Sure.